Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cloud Computing Trends 2018. So today guys I will be discussing about the cloud computing jobs. So 5 top cloud computing jobs that you can enter into and to get a high salaries. Okay, so very first one is the enterprise architect. So if you are cloud computing domain, if you are into a cloud computing domain and you are an enterprise IT architect, you can get salary up to $137, and it's a very huge guys. And enterprise architect, it's a very prestigious, or you can say it's a very good position in the organization where you will decide the business model of your company and the organizational structure and the organizational design and technology portfolio which is required basically. So it's a very good position, and if you are enterprise architect for your organization, it's good, and you will get a highly paid salary for that, around $137. Okay, so this is the very first job. The second job is a solution architect. If you are a solution architect for your company, then you will be involved with writing some white papers and the context of the projects, and it's basically related to a project, and you get a salary around $122, a little less compared to enterprise. And because the enterprise guy, he is basically looking into your complete organization, and if you are a solution architect guy, then you will be focusing only for a particular project and deciding the context and the business model of your particular project. So that's the difference between enterprise and the solution architect, and there is a little difference in the salary structure because it's depend upon the scope of your work. So that's the second job you can get highly paid. The third job is the cloud consultant. So cloud consultant can get a salary up to $130. Okay, you may see like it's similar to the enterprise or a solution architect guy, but the role of cloud consultant, it's a little bit different as compared to enterprise and the cloud solution architect guy, right? So cloud consultant guy is just he just can be belongs to a company or out of company, and he will just guide you your company on technical studies and or maybe for some client he can work for sitting somewhere out of your company. So cloud consultant is one of the good job where you can get highly paid. So next one is the fourth one is cloud practice lead. You know that team leads basically what they do, right? So they will manage the team, they will guide the team, they will involve with client and client communication and creating a rapport with client, creating a different POC ideas, new ideas and innovation they will be involved with, right? So along with that, the basic work of the lead is delivery of projects, right? So if you are a cloud practice lead, you will be responsible for the cloud solution what your company is giving, and the delivery of that project, maintaining and expanding the customer relationship basically, and what is the roadmap of your cloud solution or any particular project, right? And if there is a migration process or something like that, so you will be involved in that. So it's a very good responsibility. And in case of cloud computing, if you are a cloud practice lead, you will be get around salary $120. Okay, so it's a very good salary, and the responsibility you will be doing with that is very nice. Okay, the fifth one is a cloud security architect, right? So security, you know that everybody talks about the cloud security and everybody wants their cloud to be secure, and that's the reason a cloud security architect has a lot of importance. If there is no security guy for your cloud solution, so it's very difficult to solve your cloud security related problems. And most of the times you may see like some cloud solution has a lot of issues with the security and it get compromised, right? So that should be taken care, and that's the role of cloud security architect, who get paid around $120. So if you look at guys, all the 5 jobs, the salaries are around the same, but the roles are a little bit different. So you can decide which role is suitable for you, and accordingly you can jump onto that particular cloud profession. Okay, so if you are an enterprise architect and you have done some certification on that, and you are doing a solutions level on the organization, and you are deciding the business model, then you are ready to go with the enterprise architect position. And then if you are belongs to particular domain, networking or storage, and you are building a solution around it, then you are a solution architect guy. And if you are involved with just a consultation to many of the companies or a client, then you can be a cloud consultant. And if you are a team handling guy who wants to manage team and lead the team and deliver the project, then that guy can go with the cloud practice lead position. Okay. Along with that, if you are very good at security features and the cloud security, then you can go with the cloud security architect position. So all these 5 jobs will give you a good amount of salary and good kind of work, and which is a very advanced level of work, you would say, if you are into the cloud computing. And along with that, it would be a 6th one, but since it's a very important, I wanted to add it, and I have just noted down for you guys, is a DevOps. So DevOps guy, he generally takes care of the incremental code testing and the deployment, basically the operation part, right? It's an emerging position or emerging domain for the people who wants to get into a continuous integration and adding a code and migrating and deploying it on particular infrastructure, right? So DevOps is also one of the good position you can hold in cloud computing domain, guys. So that's it for today, and hope you like this video. So please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you, guys.